Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about a crucial topic for business owners looking to expand their reach: digital marketing. With more consumers turning to online platforms, effective digital marketing can make or break a business. But as attractive as these tools are, business owners must be aware of the legal framework governing digital marketing in Singapore in order to avoid penalties and ensure compliant practices. In today's video, we'll cover the different types of digital marketing available, the applicable laws in Singapore, the consequences of non-compliance, and finally, some commentary on how business owners can navigate these requirements smoothly. Digital marketing is broad, encompassing many techniques to engage potential customers online. The first type is search engine optimization, which helps your website rank higher on search engines, making it easier for people to find your products or services. This strategy involves optimizing web pages, content, and keywords. Another form of digital marketing would be social media marketing. Popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok are leveraged for ads, organic posts, and engaging directly with audiences. Social media marketing allows businesses to target specific demographics based on interests, location, and behavior. Next up is content marketing, which involves creating valuable, relevant content, including blogs, videos, podcasts, to attract and engage a target audience. The fourth type is email marketing. Email remains one of the most effective channels, especially for nurturing leads and staying in touch with existing customers. Businesses use email to share newsletters, promotional offers, and personalized messages. Next, we have pay-per-click advertising, which allows businesses to place ads on search engines or social media. You pay a fee every time someone clicks on your ad. Google Ads and Facebook Ads are among the most popular pay-per-click platforms. Finally, we have affiliate marketing, where a company partners up with individuals or other companies to promote products or services in exchange for a commission on sales. This type of marketing is beneficial for expanding reach through established influencers or bloggers. Each of these methods has its advantages, and combining them into a cohesive digital marketing strategy can yield powerful results. But with this power comes responsibility, specifically the responsibility to adhere to laws and regulations governing online advertising and data privacy. In Singapore, digital marketing is regulated primarily through laws concerning advertising standards, personal data protection, and fair competition. Here are the key regulations that business owners should be familiar with. The first is the Personal Data Protection Act, which governs the collection, use, and disclosure of personal data by organizations. For digital marketing, this means that businesses must obtain consent before using someone's data for marketing purposes. The Do Not Call registry is a key component under the PDPA. Businesses must check this registry before sending marketing messages or making promotional calls to ensure that the recipients have not opted out. Next up is the Spam Control Act. This act regulates unsolicited marketing messages via email, SMS, and other electronic messaging. Under the Spam Control Act, marketing messages must include clear instructions on how recipients can unsubscribe. It also prohibits the use of misleading subject lines to manipulate clicks or engagement. Third thing to note is the Advertising Standards Authority of Singapore guidelines, which provide guidelines to ensure that advertisements are honest, decent, and socially responsible. Advertisers must avoid false claims, misleading visuals, and deceptive tactics that could mislead or exploit consumers. Finally, let's talk about the Consumer Protection Fair Trading Act. Under this law, it is illegal for businesses to make false claims or misrepresentations in their advertising, and prohibits deceptive marketing practices that might mislead consumers about the quality, benefits, or the price of a product. Failing to comply with these laws can have serious repercussions, both financially and reputationally. Let's take a look at the potential consequences for business owners. Number one, fines and penalties. The PDPA imposes fines of up to $1 million for serious data breaches or misuse. Violating the Do Not Call registry requirements could result in fines as well. Under the Spam Control Act, civil actions can be brought against organizations, and the court can award damages of up to $25 for each unsolicited message, and if the claimant suffered loss, damages of up to $1 million. Another consequence for not complying with these laws are court orders. For example, breaches of the Consumer Protection Fair Trading Act can result in court orders prohibiting certain unfair business practices. Consumer complaints about deceptive practices may lead to investigations, and companies may be ordered to provide refunds or compensation to affected consumers. Companies should also note that in the digital age, reputation is everything. Non-compliance not only harms relationships between customers, but can also lead to public backlash, especially if privacy violations or deceptive practices are involved. So how can business owners effectively navigate these legal requirements while still making the most of digital marketing? First, invest in proper compliance tools and training. Digital marketing teams should be trained on PDPA requirements and advertising guidelines. It's wise to invest in data management tools that track consumer preferences and ensure that all messaging adheres to the do not call registry requirements. The second thing companies should do is to ensure transparency and ethical marketing. Always provide clear, accurate information in advertisements. Avoid making exaggerated claims that cannot be substantiated. Ensure that all promotional messages are accompanied by easy opt-out options to build consumer trust. Next, regularly audit your digital marketing practices to ensure compliance with the latest laws. Consider consulting a legal professional specializing in digital marketing and data protection for tailored advice. Finally, as marketing trends evolve, new regulations often follow. Stay informed about new marketing trends such as influencer marketing or AI-generated content, and anticipate the possible legal frameworks that might arise around them. To conclude, digital marketing is an exciting frontier for business owners, but the path must be tread with caution. Compliance with digital marketing laws not only protects you from fines and reputational damage, but also fosters trust and goodwill with your customers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.